Well, we have a breaking update coming in. Is trouble mounting for former Telangana Chief Minister KCR, and this is with regards to the PC Ghosh Judicial Commission that has now submitted a 1600-page report on the said irregularities in the Kaleshwaram project. Now, Times Now has accessed the findings of the damning report, which is said to be tabled as a report that has now named the former Chief Minister KCR, former Irrigation Minister Harish Rao and BRS leader Itala Rajender, who have been named, as the commission has also found what is being said, that the project decisions were taken solely by KCR and his Irrigation Minister without cabinet approval. The report has also mentioned that despite the expert committee warning against when it comes to the Medigada barrage, a report on it was suppressed. Now, contracts that were awarded on lump sum basis, and as per the report, the barrage locations were shifted after the contracts finalized without any consultation. Let's get in a word from Somit now. Somit, how are we looking at as far as the former Chief Minister seems to be directly held accountable for the Kaleshwaram project?
Well, that's true, Amita. Times Now is the only channel exclusively access this PC Ghosh Commission report, and these are the key findings of the 16-page report which was submitted to the government by the PC Ghosh Commission. And after questioning former Chief Minister KCR, former Irrigation Minister Harish Rao, former Finance Minister Itala Rajender, and also all other officers, and finally, this will be put in front of the cabinet today, and we have accessed this report before that, and it's very much clear in this report where PC Ghosh Commission has clearly stated that Commission mentioned the former Chief Minister KCR's name, former Minister Itala Rajender's name, former, Finance Minister, former Irrigation Minister Harish Rao's name, and it also, the report has also in the key findings mentioned that irregularities and planning and the conceptualization has, mainly the decision for this has been solely taken by the Chief Minister, former Chief Minister KCR, and the decision to construct the barrages at the Medigada, Annaram and Sundilla was the sole individual decision of the Minister of Irrigation and also the Chief Minister. So, Minister of Irrigation, former Minister of Irrigation and former Chief Minister, they both are relatives, and these both, key persons actually taken the sole decision to construct the barrages at the Medigada, Annaram and Sundilla is what the Commission has stated, and even the Commission has also continued to say that lump sum has been awarded, the projects have been awarded to the few companies, and even, despite CWC's advice for the trunky basis, it was ignored, and the report also stated that when it comes to the responsibilities and accountability, the Commission has clearly stated that the then Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao held directly and also vigorously accountable for the irregularities and the illegalities in planning and construction and completion, operation and maintenance of the three barrages is what exactly the Commission has stated. And when it comes to the then Ministers Itala Rajender, like I said, Itala Rajender and Harish Rao has been named, and mainly it is also mentioned that massive cost overruns have been made by the then Chief Minister, and the project initially conceived at around 38,500 crores and for the PCSS, and escalated to the 71,436 crores for Kaleshwaram, and later in it saw revised administration approvals totaling to 1,10,248.48 crores. So massive cost overruns happened and the irregularities happened is what PC Ghosh Commission has stated. Even earlier, Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah and several other top leaders.
So this report, which is expected to be taken up by the cabinet as first being accessed by Times Now, what we are learning that the report also mentions, as Somit is pointing out, that KCR was being held directly and vicariously responsible for planning, for execution and for financial irregularities. Not just him, his Irrigation Mantri and the Finance Minister too has been blamed for arbitrary orders and ignoring technical reports. We'll get you more on that. Thank you very much for the moment, Somit, for joining in. Back after a short break.